Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the facts or events related to 30th April. Let's start. In the year of 1598, the theatre is organized for the first time in America. In the year of 1789, on this day George Washington is unanimously elected the first president of the United States. In the year of 1837, Hari Singh Nalwa, the chief of army staff of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, died. In the year of 1870, Dhundiraj Phalke, aka Dadasaheb Phalke, grandfather of Indian cinema, was born. In the year of 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki hurled bombs to kill King's Court magistrate in Muzaffarpur, but two innocent people are killed by bombs. In the year of 1927, former Supreme Court Judge Fatima Bibi was born. She became the first woman judge and the first Muslim woman to be a part of the Supreme Court of India. In the year of 1945, German dictator Hitler and his wife Eva Braun commit suicide. In the year of 1955, Imperial Bank of India was nationalized. In the year of 1955, West German unions protested for a 40-hour work week and higher wages. In the year of 1967, construction of the world's tallest free-standing structure, Ostankino Tower of 40 meters in Moscow, Russia, ends. In the year of 1973, US President Richard Nixon took responsibility for the Watergate scandal as the country's president, although he clearly stated that he was not personally responsible for it. In the year of 1975, the Vietnam War comes to an end. The three-day ruling President Dong Van Minh asked his forces to surrender and asked the North Vietnamese to stop the attack. In the year of 1989, the World Wide Web (WWW) was first launched as a public domain by CERN scientist Tim Berners-Lee. In the year of 1991, a severe cyclone in Bangladesh killed more than 1.25 million people and left 9 million homeless. In the year of 1993, the world's number one tennis player Monica Seles was stabbed and injured during a match in Hamburg, Germany. In the year of 2011, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO) decided to celebrate International Jazz Day. International Jazz Day or International Jazz Day is observed every year on 30 April. In the year of 2030, Bollywood actor Rajesh Khanna was declared the first superstar of Indian cinema at the Dadasaheb Phalke Academy Awards. In the year of 2018, Ayushman Bharat Divas started today. This day was celebrated as Ayushman Bharat Divas under Gram Swaraj Abhiyan on 30 April and programs were organized to raise awareness about health schemes in the villages. In the year of 2020, famous Bollywood actor Rishi Kapoor died at the age of 67 after a long illness. In the year of 2020, US President Donald Trump claims that COVID-19 originated in a laboratory in Wuhan, while the Office of the Director of National Intelligence said that the virus is not man-made. That's all. Thanks for watching.